so this thing's broken. They called me and they said they want me to weld it. I have the parts ordered, but they want me to weld it so they can use it right now. Call me She-Hulk. I guess I shouldn't care, right? Nowadays I can identify as anything I want.
A what?
A dwarf.
What's a dwarf?
A tiny person.
A dwarf.
Why, no?
I thought that the
isn't that correct? Yeah, so stick welding aluminum is kind of hard. Oh man, I got spatter all over my phone. Getting a little better, but it's pretty difficult. But here, I'll show you what I did. Not too pretty, but it'll hold for now.
Mounting a transformer.
The jack. What's wrong? There's nothing wrong with this. Come on. What? That's what happens when you do this for too long. You just see it and know. There's a spacer in there, and the other bearing. Gloves. I don't need no stinking gloves.
Cha-ching. He's a good boy. He's a good boy.
You're a good boy?
He's a good boy. It took him a little while to come.
You're a good boy, huh?
There's another one over there.
I wish I could let you out.
Uh-oh, the donkey.
Wish I could let you out. There's one on the floor. Give me a smile. Trick. Trick, you're coming deep. You're a good boy, huh? Oh, here comes crazy goats.
There's one on the ground.
Hey, little dude. Hey. You're down. Okay. I'm not getting. I'm out of here. I gotta go to work. Later, guys. What you doing? What you doing, buddy? What you doing? You being a good boy? Yeah, you're being a good boy. So I'm gonna see if I can scrape some of this dirt off and get some part numbers out of this thing. I think I found one. Let's see. Well, we're gonna go and we're gonna look that up. See if we can find a part that fits. It's leaking. Dude, I don't know if you can hear that. Yeah. Definitely not a job for people that get worried about getting dirty. That was quick. Somebody complained. The guy that's letting us stay here said somebody complained about us being here. We can't stay here anymore.